Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Discover Knowledge. Today is day 2 of our English learning journey. In today's lesson, we are going to practice slow English conversation about daily life. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. You don't need to understand every word immediately. Just listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and try to speak along with us. We will use simple English that you can use in your everyday life. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Conversation 1. Waking up. Alex. Good morning, Sarah. Sarah. Good morning, Alex. How are you? Alex. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Sarah. I'm fine. I slept very well last night. Alex. That's good. What time did you wake up? Sarah. I woke up at 7 o'clock. Alex. That's a good time to wake up. Sarah. What time did you wake up? Alex. I woke up at 6:30. Sarah. Wow, that's early. Alex. Yes, I like getting up early. Sarah. Why do you like waking up early? Alex, because I have more time in the morning. Sarah. That's true. Alex, what do you usually do after waking up? Sarah. First, I drink a glass of water. Alex. That's a good habit. Sarah. Then I wash my face and brush my teeth. Alex. What do you do after that? Sarah. I make breakfast. Alex. What do you usually eat for breakfast? Sarah. I usually eat eggs and toast. Alex. That sounds delicious. Sarah. What about you? Alex. I usually have bread, fruit, and coffee. Repeat after me. Now let's practice some important sentences. Good morning. How are you? I slept very well last night. What time did you wake up? I woke up at 7 o'clock. What do you usually do in the morning? I usually drink a glass of water. I make breakfast. Try to say these sentences without looking at the screen. Conversation 2. Getting ready. Sarah. Are you ready for work? Alex. Almost. Sarah. What are you doing? Alex. I'm getting dressed. Sarah. What are you going to wear today? Alex. I'm going to wear a blue shirt and black pants. Sarah. That sounds nice. Alex. Thank you. Sarah. Do you need anything before you leave? Alex. Yes, I need my phone and my wallet. Sarah. Where is your phone? Alex. I think it's on the table. Sarah. Here it is. Alex. Oh, thank you. Sarah. And where is your wallet? Alex. It's in my room. Sarah. You should hurry. Alex. Yes, I don't want to be late. Sarah. What time do you have to leave? Alex. I have to leave at 8 o'clock. Sarah. You still have 10 minutes. Alex. That's enough time. Useful daily English. Here are some useful sentences from this conversation. I'm getting dressed. Where is my phone? I can't find my wallet. I don't want to be late. I have to leave now. I still have 10 minutes. That's enough time. These sentences are very useful in everyday English. Conversation 3. Going to work. Alex. How do you go to work? Sarah. I usually take the bus. Alex. How long does it take? Sarah. It takes about 30 minutes. Alex. That's not too long. Sarah. No, it's okay. Alex. What do you do on the bus? Sarah. I usually listen to music. Alex. Do you ever listen to English podcasts? Sarah. Yes, I do. Alex. That's a great way to learn English. Sarah. I agree. Alex. What time do you arrive at work? Sarah. Usually around 9 o'clock. Alex. Are you busy at work? Sarah. Yes, most days are busy. Alex. Do you enjoy your job? Sarah. Yes, I really like my job. Alex. That's great. Sarah. What about you? Alex. I work from home, so I don't need to travel. Sarah. That's convenient. Alex. Yes, it saves a lot of time. Listening practice. Now listen carefully. I usually take the bus to work. It takes about 30 minutes. I usually listen to music. I listen to English podcasts. I arrive at work at 9 o'clock. I really like my job. I work from home. Conversation 4. At work. Sarah. Good morning, Alex. Alex, good morning, Sarah. Sarah, how was your morning? Alex, it was good. How about yours? Sarah, mine was good too. Alex, are you busy today? Sarah, yes, I have a lot of work to do. Alex, do you need any help? Sarah, yes, please. Alex, what can I do? Sarah, can you check this document? Alex, sure, I'll check it now. Sarah, thank you. Alex, you're welcome. Sarah, can you send me the file later? Alex, of course. Sarah, great. Thank you for your help. Alex, no problem. Conversation 5. Lunchtime. Alex, are you hungry? Sarah, yes, I'm very hungry. Alex, what do you want for lunch? Sarah, I'm not sure. Alex, do you want to eat at the restaurant? Sarah, yes, that sounds good. Alex, what do you want to eat? Sarah, I'd like some rice and chicken. Alex, sounds good. Sarah, what about you? Alex, I'll have a sandwich. Sarah, would you like something to drink? Alex, yes, I'd like some water. Sarah, let's go. Alex, okay, I'm ready. Important phrases. Let's practice. Are you hungry? I'm very hungry. What do you want for lunch? I'm not sure. That sounds good. I'd like some rice and chicken. Would you like something to drink? I'd like some water. I'm ready. Excellent. Conversation 6. Coming home. Sarah, what time do you finish work? Alex, I usually finish at 5 o'clock. Sarah, what do you do after work? Alex, I go home. Sarah, do you go straight home? Alex, usually, yes. Sarah, what do you do when you get home? Alex, first I change my clothes. Sarah, then what? Alex, I relax for a while. Sarah, do you watch TV? Alex, sometimes. Sarah, do you cook dinner? Alex, yes, I usually cook dinner. Sarah, what do you usually cook? Alex, I usually make rice, vegetables, or chicken. Sarah, that sounds healthy. Alex, I try to eat healthy food. Conversation 7. Evening. Sarah, what are you doing tonight? Alex, I'm staying home. Sarah, are you going to watch a movie? Alex, Sarah, what kind of movies do you like? Alex, I like comedy movies. Sarah, me too. Alex, do you watch movies in English? Sarah, yes, sometimes. Alex, that's a good way to improve your English. Sarah, yes, I try to listen carefully. Alex, do you use English subtitles? Sarah, yes, I do. Alex, that's helpful. Sarah, I agree. Final speaking practice. Now let's practice some complete sentences. Listen and repeat. I wake up early every morning. I drink water after I wake up. I usually eat breakfast at home. I get dressed before I leave the house. I don't want to be late for work. I usually take the bus to work. It takes about 30 minutes. I listen to English podcasts on the way. I have a lot of work to do today. Can you help me with this? What do you want for lunch? I'd like some water, please. I finish work at 5 o'clock. I go straight home after work. I relax when I get home. I usually cook dinner in the evening. Sometimes I watch TV. I like watching movies in English. English subtitles are very helpful. I'm trying to improve my English every day. Speaking challenge. What time do you wake up? What do you usually eat for breakfast? How do you go to work or school? What time do you start work or school? What do you usually eat for lunch? What do you do after work or school? What do you do in the evening? What kind of movies do you like? Remember, you don't need perfect English. The most important thing is to practice every day.